Hi friends, this is Keshab and you are watching our educational channel Students Favorite. In today's class, we shall discuss about another part of speech that is conjunction. Let's learn its definition first. A conjunction is a word which connects two or more than two words, clauses, and phrases in a sentence. There are two types of conjunctions. First one is coordinating conjunction and the next is subordinating conjunction, which I'll discuss about later. First coordinating conjunction. And but yet still or for so beside therefore nevertheless or else and some correlative conjunctions either or neither nor not only but also both and are belongs to coordinating conjunction. Some examples: Rama and Hari play cricket well. Here the conjunction is and, which connects both Rama and Hari. And they are also same ranked. Rama and Hari are two nouns. He is rich yet not happy. Here the conjunction is yet. I like not only cricket but also football. Here cricket and football, both the words are also same ranked or same valued, we can say. Moreover, these conjunctions only connect, or you can say subordinating conjunctions only connect same ranked or valued subjects to make coordinate clause. The second one, subordinating conjunction. Though, even though, after, as soon as, until, whenever, whoever, whom, because, so that, if, unless, wherever, whatever, how, as if, lest, etc. These are subordinating conjunctions. Some examples: the stadium looks like garbage after the match. Here after is the subordinating conjunction. And I read newspaper because it provides information. Here because is the subordinating conjunction. Because it provides information, this part is called subordinating clause. I feared lest he said something inside. Here lest is the subordinating conjunction. Lest he said something inside is the subordinating clause. We went to our seats as soon as the teacher arrived. Here, as soon as the teacher arrived is the subordinating clause and as soon as the subordinating conjunction. I will help you if you give me money. Here, if is the subordinating conjunction. If you give me money is the subordinating clause. Hence, we learnt that subordinate conjunction makes condition or subordinate clause. The next part of speech is interjection. Interjections express the emotions or sentiments of the speaker or convey hesitation or protest. They are usually followed by an exclamation mark. Interjections bear no grammatical connection with the sentence. That means interjections have nothing to do with the grammatical rule of the sentence. Here under some interjections, their meanings and examples. Alas, the sign of grief. Alas, we lost the match. Hey, getting attention. Hey, look at the book. Example. Oh, expressing surprise. Oh, I have got back my lost pen. Ouch, expressing pain. Ouch, I have a bad headache. Shh, an indication for silence. Shh, something is there. Oops, making a mistake. Oops, I forget to bring a pen. Hurrah, sign of victory. Hurrah, India won the match.